This is David, KB9EWG, and welcome to my first amateur radio unboxing video. Digital radio is really becoming popular nowadays, and there's several different formats out there that people are using. There's D-Star, there's Yaesu's Fusion and Wires X, there's P25, and there's also DMR. Well, I've been kind of sitting back and watching the battle ensue, see which one's coming out on top. And it looks like they're all pretty well holding their own. So I figured maybe it's time to get my feet wet and dabble and explore some digital communications. So I did just that, and a package has arrived today. So we'll go ahead and check this package out and see what just came here today. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and open the package here. And what do we have inside? We have a TYT Titera MD UV390 DMR radio, VHF UHF dual band. So let's open it up and explore what's inside here. Okay, on top I find the owner's manual. There's a small tag that says that the TYT verification. Here is the radio itself. A nice heft to it. Here's a shorter antenna and a longer, more high gain antenna for the radio. The battery, which is a 2000 milliamp 7.4 volt lithium ion battery. The wall work to plug it in. The belt clip, program cable with software, and the charger stand for the radio. And see everything inside the box here. Go ahead and put the battery on the radio here and see what we can see here. Power's up.
1.
So I will explore this radio, see what I get in the program. Now I don't have any DMR repeaters in my area, so I'm going to have to get a hotspot to actually get on DMR. In the meantime, I'm going to program it up and use it as an analog radio. Operate on some local repeaters since it is both VHF UHF dual band. And as I explore this radio and know more about it, I will eventually do a review video on it. This is David, KB9EWG, exploring the world of DMR for the first time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and watch for more videos. Thank you very much. This is KB9EWG 73.